So we've been conducting this state of maintenance report every single year for the past couple of years. And obviously we're going to do it again next year. What do you hope will change the next time around? What are your guys' predictions as we look forward 1 year from now and we look back at the state of maintenance report 2022?
Yeah, I think it's going to be very much the same. What I would like to see, though, in a dialogue in our industry is to go away from this aspect of trying to solve all our problems by throwing technology or processes or procedures at things. What I would like to see is more leaning into people. And I know, Ryan, you and I have talked about this a lot, but I think that's the real game-changing thing. And Shadrach talks about it in terms of collaboration. That's absolutely an opportunity for us. There's absolutely opportunities in terms of diversity and inclusion. And I think there's also absolutely opportunity in terms of treating our people like people, getting them trained, getting them confident in them showing up and doing jobs, trying to make a better workplace. Like, I think that a lot of us work in these places where we're kind of checked out and we're getting hammered all the time. And that's why we're not getting anywhere.
I guess the biggest thing with me is that get people to move in the right direction is one, we got to give them a vision of what the right direction looks like. It's called a whip and what's in it for them. What's in it for you by moving in the right direction is life gets better. You get to go home when you're supposed to go home. You don't have to chase failures all day long, go home dead at night because you're tired, like I used to do. When you're in maintenance, it's difficult. Bringing calm to the storm is what we're talking about. And that's where we're headed to with proactive maintenance. It's get to the point where we know what we're doing. We know the health of the assets. We know what our problems are, and we're working on those problems to resolve them. But I want everybody pulled into it, from the technician up to at least the maintenance management level. I don't know if I want to get any higher than that because sometimes that gets a little crazy. But pulling people in on the team works out well.
It's really cool to talk about this because we've got a year, right? A year of change. And obviously we kind of know that 2020 for all of us was a year of change. So hopefully we'll see a ton of really good progress moving in the right direction. What I hear from both of you guys, Ricky and Rob, is the focus on people, the focus on the human aspect of people coming into work, turning wrenches. I kind of reflect back how we started the conversation around KPIs. And it's kind of like the complete polar opposite of that, actually. It's not just hitting, going into upkeep or your CMMS and just hitting done, 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 done. These are people. We're all human beings, and we all have the creativity, the mindset to want to do bigger and better things than just done, 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 done. But if that's how we're measured, if that's what success looks like, that's exactly what you're going to get.